This book, Fox at Night, was 2022 Geisel Award winner. What does a nocturnal animal mean? Nocturnal animals are animals which are mainly active during the night. They hunt or feed during the night and sleep during the day. The animals in this book, red fox, bat, raccoon, and skunk, are nocturnal animals. Oh! Fox and Night by Corey R. Tabor. It is night, and Fox is scared. The night is full of monsters, says Fox. Fox looks for monsters. Fox sees 4 stars. Fox sees 3 planets. Fox sees 2 big wings. Fox sees 2 big pointy ears. Fox sees 2 big yellow eyes. Monster! Cries Fox. I'm not a monster. I'm a bat, says Bat. Sorry, says Fox, but the night is full of monsters. I don't think so, says Bat. Come, I will show you. Fox and Bat go out into the night. Fox hears tap, tap, tap. Fox hears a boom, boom, bam. Monster! Cries Fox.
I'm not a monster. I'm a raccoon,
says Raccoon. Sorry, says Fox, but the night is full of monsters.
I don't think so,
says Raccoon.
Come, we will show you.
Fox smells stink. Fox smells a big, awful stink. Monster! Cries Fox. I'm not a monster. I'm a skunk, says Skunk. Sorry, says Fox, but the night is full of monsters. I don't think so, says Skunk. Come, we will show you. Fox sees 2 pointy horns. Fox sees 3 yellow eyes. Fox sees lots of pointy teeth.
Huh?
Monsters! Cries the tiny little monster. I told you, says Fox. The night is full of monsters. Get me out of here! We're not monsters. We're just nocturnal animals.